Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am at my coastal gardens and I'm enjoying this season's natural gardens. Look at all of the beautiful golden leaves, nature's own way to bring in the beautiful autumn season. The landscape is decorated in these beautiful leaves along with the other trees and shrubs. Here it is late in the season and my boxes are still out and looking healthy and beautiful, including the large oak in the background, the fresh greens from the evergreen Arborvitaes, highlighting the vibrant autumn colors in the gardens. The patio of gray and white with the white fence around it is so beautiful, decorated with orange pumpkins, perennials, and decked to the nines in harmonious colors of accessories and furniture. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out the latest videos, and I'll see you all again next time. This is brought to you by Pamela M. Curtis, House and Gardens, the Holiday Channel, and Garden Reply. To learn more, check out my website, PamelaMCurtisHouseandGardens.com, for autumn specials, which include seasonal newsletters, catalog, and more. Join me each week for more beautiful house and gardens. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other special channels. Thanks for joining me today.